Friends, open PicsArt app and select the background. Tap on plus icon, tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. Now tap on add photo and select the circle PNG. Friends, this is a circle. Simply stretch it, arrange like this. Perfect. Now go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the model image. Now you have to erase the background. Go to cutout tool, tap on this outline and simply draw around the outline of the model image. Now tap on this arrow. Now this is the model. Stretch out and arrange like this in this portion. Now tap on these layers, tap on this move down. Okay, now select the ring. Okay, select the ring and arrange like this. Now tap on this eraser, tap on this erase. You have to start erase like this, and by using the restore, fill the portions. Now tap on tick mark and again tap on tick. Now we have to add the shadow effect to the model image. Go to add photo. Now bring it down to here. Perfect. Now tap on shadow, tap on these layers, tap on this duplicate and arrange like this. Now tap on this eraser, tap on this eraser. Now tap on tick, go to opacity, decrease little opacity. Perfect. Tap on tick mark. The next step you have to add the further PNGs. Go to add photo and this one you have to add in the center. Simply stretch out like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. The next PNG, go to add photo and simply stretch out like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to go to add photo and select the model Instagram profile screenshot. The model Instagram screenshot, go to crop, simply crop it like this and tap on tick. Now go to shape, tap on the circle, tap on arrow, tap on save and arrange in this portion. Okay, tap on tick. The next step you have to go to text and add the model name. Now tap on this pink up arrow, select the my fonts and select this signature or this hunter. These fonts you can add and you have to add in this portion and simply tap on this shadow and decrease this like this. Now arrange it like this. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to go to add photo and select further PNGs. Now tap on this crop and crop exactly like I am doing. Perfect. Now tap on tick and you have to arrange in this portion. Now tap on tick. Now again go to add photo and select again. Now tap on crop, crop this, tap on tick. Now go to blend, make it multiple and arrange it in this portion. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to go to add photo and select the love symbol. Now arrange one here and tap on layers, tap on duplicate and select another one here. Now tap on tick mark. In the final you have to go to tools, go to adjust, give little saturation give little clarity, decrease little highlights, give little shadow, tap on tick, and go to effects. You have to give the vignette effect, make it 100 and keep it around like this, tap on tick. Perfect. Friends, finally our tutorial is completed. This is a before and this is after. Okay, now tap on save.